Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about LG 27-inch WQHD OLED gaming monitor with enhanced brightness. So friend, LG has announced the 27GS93QE-B, a 27-inch WQHD gaming monitor equipped with the latest OLED panel technology, and this display leverages micro lens Array Plus technology, resulting a 37.5-inch increase in brightness compared to the previous model, and the panel support VESA Display HDR True Black 400 certification, ensure high dynamic range performance, and cover 98.5% of DCI color gamut, and the future collective enabled to monitor to deliver accurate and vibrant color reproduction, enhancing the visual experience for various gaming and multimedia applications, and the monitor designed to cater to high performance gaming need with its rapid response time of 0.03 millisecond and refresh rate of 240 Hz, and the specification facilitates smooth and fluid motion handling, which is crucial for fast-paced gaming scenarios. And additionally, the monitor support multiple adaptive synchronization technology including NVIDIA G-Sync, AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, and Adaptive Sync, and this comfortable ensure the display can synchronize with a wide range of graphics card, minimizing screen tearing and shuttering, and thereby providing a seamless visual experience. And the connectivity option including DisplayPort 1.4, two HDMI port, and one headphone jack, catering a various peripheral devices. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.